Okay, here's the radio that was going to create smoke, and it only crackled a little bit, and we're going to take it apart. I already took some screws out, so we have to take that thing off. So that's gone, and you see a lot of dust. And then we can take this one out because I already unscrewed everything, because I cannot work with one hand and holding my phone in the other hand. So now we have the radio up here, and I'm going to take parts out. Let me do this. And here you have the 803800 AMs. I definitely keep those because those are good speakers. And yeah. Well, you see that? That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good, guys. Not good. And here's the little transformers. And let's see what's under here. Well, obviously somebody already replaced the capacitor. The blue one also, that's also replaced. No, that's original. Oh, there's another cap replaced. Yeah, somebody put in some work on this radio already. And as you can see here, that's what smoked. That resistor in the middle, it shouldn't be black. It just should be all brown. So yeah, something is drawing up a lot of current. And that's where I try to explain that these things here, see that thing there, those bend outwards, and then the knob goes up. So yeah, that's the problem. Again, we are not going to save this radio. So first we can take the tubes out, and this EL84 didn't work anymore. It's a D-getter, and I don't know, throw it out. I got enough of those. Yeah, it's hard to see, but sometimes with this one the glass is cracked, but it's still holding air. That's a nice little tube there. ECC 83. And then over there, the little one, EAA91 goes with the radio tubes. And as I said, this is a Telefunken tube, EF89. It's nice if you have a Telefunken radio. And Pope, that also got replaced one time because Philips sold their radios with, yeah, that one is hard to get out. I'll get that later. I always get that guy out too because that's good. And then I will take out this variable cap with the ferrite thing here. Normally I take out the transformer, but I don't do it this time because like this I cannot sell it. The only thing that I will keep is is this little fuse, because sometimes that's missing. So I'll take that out and show you what it is, if I can take it out. See, there it is. Sometimes they get lost. So I'll keep that. Make sure I don't get. I take these out. Those are nice. And the magic eye didn't work, so I'll leave that. And yeah. And then the rest of the radio I will trash. All right, that's it.